All right, I'm taking a video to show my boy Chuck D and old man, my adopted stepdad Kenny H, that the old tried and true passed inspection this morning at 180,820 miles. So at 180,820 miles. And after a few repairs on the evap system, replacement hoses. Now the only thing with the engine that's next to do is the oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket. I replaced the seals on the fuel injectors. They all firing. The fuel pump is the original and it's still working. Trying to keep it, trying to maintain it. But last year it didn't pass inspection because of motor mounts. Now I got solid motor mounts in it. And I'm about to relocate the alternator because I'm going to be trying out Nick's welding expertise because we're going to make some strut towers for this thing. You know, it's a project. It's a hobby. And I'll be adding stuff to it. Or I guess until, as long as I can keep the car, you know, we'll see. But still running good. It's dirty as heck though. I could tell you that. But that's alright. We're gonna clean it up because eventually I'm hoping in a few years, next year it'll be 20 years old. So I'm hoping in a few years that I can actually put it in a couple shows. Because I'll hopefully have it all cleaned up by then. I should, but it would take the help of my best friend Chuck D and my other best adopted dad, Kenny H. All right, my son, he don't count because he's my son, so he's neither friend or whatever. But of course, he's gonna be put in the mix. I gotta put him to work. He don't do nothing anyway. You know how kids are. They think they try to be all fast and know it all. I like messing with him. That's why I love him so much. All right, y'all. Peace.